Hi, boys and girls. Today is Wednesday, and we have been doing research about sports, different sports. Today, we're going to look at soccer. So, let's read the informational text about soccer. Soccer is a team sport. Two teams play. That reminds me of a sport I read about yesterday. Each team has 11 players. The players try to kick the ball into the other team's goal. If the ball goes into the goal, their team gets a point. Soccer players have different jobs. The goalkeeper's job is to protect the goal. Defenders try to get the ball away from the other team. Forwards try to score the goal. So they have different positions on the team. They have defenders and forwarders. The defenders try to take the ball away, and then the forwarders try to score the goal. Games usually last 90 minutes. That's an hour and a half. Each goal is 1 point. So when they get in the net, the ball, they will gain 1 point. Kind of like the game we learned about yesterday with lacrosse. The team with the most points is the winner. Okay. What do you need to play soccer? Let's see what we need. So what do we need to wear or use? Do you want to play soccer? You will need the right clothing. You will need cleats. Cleats are sneakers with small tips at the bottom. The tips are made of rubber or plastic. They help you run without slipping. So those are special shoes you have to wear if you're going to play soccer. You will need plastic shin guards. Shin guards cover the bottom part of your leg. If you get kicked, they may hit your shin guard instead of your leg. So below the knee, boys and girls, from below your knee down to your ankle, and the front is your shin. When boys and girls are playing soccer, they're trying to kick the ball, but accidents sometimes happen, and sometimes they kick and hit others by mistake. But if you're wearing your shin guard, it's a protective gear, it won't hurt you. You will need a team shirt. All kids on the same team wear the same shirt. That helps you find your teammates during the game. Grab a ball. You are ready to play. Now, looking at the photograph, I see that the ball is quite big compared to a lacrosse ball that I looked at yesterday. I can tell that they, in the blue, must be on the same team, and this boy in the orange must be on a different team. Over here, it looks like this two boys are on the same team in yellow, and this boy in the blue must be on a different team. All right, now we are doing an informative paragraph, researching about different sports. So we just read about soccer, and now I want to look at water polo, which is a different game played in water. And I want you to think about, how is this game similar or maybe different from soccer or also lacrosse that you also read about? Water polo is a hard sport. In water polo, you are in a pool. You can't touch the bottom of the pool. You have to keep swimming the whole game. So boys and girls, if you touch the bottom, that's breaking the rule. You have to keep swimming the whole time. That's hard to keep doing. It takes a lot of energy. There is one net at each end of the pool. Both teams try to get the ball into the other team's net. So a net is used in this game also. Most of the players can only hold the ball with one hand. Only the goalie can use two hands. The goalie tries to stop the ball from going into the net. That reminds me of soccer and lacrosse. Everyone on a water polo team has to work together. They pass the ball to each other. They shoot it at the net. They score. That also sounds familiar because they score points when they get the ball into the net, just like in soccer and lacrosse.